I don't want to drink grasshoppers.
Hey kids, I'm Ara and today I have something to show you.
These are some small birds.
Let's hear a chicken fact. That is a fact. You're right.
They each have their own unique personality.
Yeah. This is Boots.
Oh, the sassiest one of all.
Mm-hmm. Strike a pose, Boots.
You gotta give all the shade for my photo op.
I know. Pogo is a lap chicken and she's not doing her job right now. This is Tiny because she's the biggest. This is Nugget. Nugget is sunbathing because it's nice out. Here's a chicken fact for you. They always just look really offended. I'm real creative when it comes to my naming. This one is Precious because she's cute. There we go. See, look at that eyeliner. Dude, teach me. This one is Bunny because she's an Easter egger. Pogo likes to jump on people and sit on their arms. And also sit on their legs. And also sit on their belongings and poop on them. Poop. Whee. Yep. Hello. Hello, pretty burb.